Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Alice and Jane, the Facelift method. So if you're suffering with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead, also the eyebrow area which tends to slightly drag down, and even those fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, and also those lemons, today we're going to be fixing it with one simple move on the scalp area to really help loosen any tight fascia, so we're lifting everything up rather than dragging everything down. So first things first, you want to start off obviously with clean skin, and also I'm going to use a little bit of facial oil just for a grip and glide when we're finally finishing off with our detoxification through the lymph. So placing onto the fingers, and then just gently apply just either side of the SCM muscle, either side of the neck, and from the hairline, forehead area, temples, down by the side of the ears, down to the collarbone. So let's take the pads of the fingers, and where our collarbone is just above, we've got some indentations, and you want to give these a few gentle presses. Now what this does, this really opens up the lymphatic gates, if you like, for detoxification. And then taking the pads of the fingers now, where our hairline is, you just want to press onto the hairline, making sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed, and that if you're sitting down, that your feet are parallel, and that your back is nice and straight, and your head is in alignment also with your back, so your ears are in alignment with your shoulder, so you're not hunching over. This will help with also maximum blood flow, circulation, and detoxification. Take a nice belly breath in. And as we're breathing out, melt the pads of the fingers into the skin. Again, another deep belly breath in. And then pads the fingers into the skin, melting in until you can feel the bone. And then what we're going to do here is just very gently go backwards and forwards with the pads of the fingers. We're not moving any hair, we're keeping the fingers placed onto the scalp, and it's a very gentle fascia micro movement. Now what we're doing here is we're creating space for any tight stuck fascia glue which may be stuck to the bone, and this hardens, and if this actually hardens and sticks to the bone, you're not allowed for any space for detoxification and oxygen. So what we're doing here is we're allowing for more space for that. Now then we want to work in the opposite direction, because the fascia is literally a structural tissue throughout the whole of the body, and it's a bit like a spider's web, and it's in lots of different directions. So you don't want to be in one stagnant area and direction here. Making sure the rest of the face is nice and relaxed. And then let's take the fingers and then work a bit further up into the head. This is where the hair starts to get a bit messy. Again, placing the fingers, take a nice deep belly breath in. And as we breathe out, just very gently and slowly melt into the skin with the pads of the fingers. And then when you can feel that almost onto the scalp and the skull, you then want to go backwards and forwards. This is a lovely cranial release for the fascia. Okay, it's a micro movement backwards and forwards. Now if your scalp is not moving very much, it's because it's quite tight. So by doing these consistently and regularly, you'll find it will start to move more as it becomes less sticky, and you're getting that fascia release. And then work in the opposite direction. So apart from really helping with the forehead, fine lines and wrinkles, and the eyebrows and lemons, this is also great, particularly if you suffer with headaches as well. It's a lovely release. And then we're going to come further into the hair now, right at the back here. Again, nice gentle belly breath, and just breathing out and melting the fingers into the scalp. Lovely somatic fascia release here, then micro movements with the fascia backwards and forwards. Now if you like to spend a bit more time on a certain area, feel free to do so. This is lovely and relaxing as well. And then let's just work in the opposite direction. Now you can also do some round circular motions one way and the other. Really relaxing. I like to do this in the evening. It really calms everything down, ready for sleep if you like. So let's work around the ear area here now. So again, placing a little bit behind the ears again with the pads of the fingers, breathing in and breathing out, and just gently apply a bit of pressure. If you find a point and it's a little bit tight, and maybe you shouldn't get any pain, but if you do, just ease off the pressure slightly with the fingertips, with the pads of the fingers. Again, making sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed and your neck is relaxed, and also the tongue on your mouth, in your mouth, you want to make sure that's nice and relaxed as well. And then coming backwards and forwards. Say micro fascia release. And in the opposite direction. Again, I like to do these 3 or 4 times a week. If you like, if you have a bit more time, you can spend a bit more time and maybe a couple more days, but you just want to be gentle with yourself and you'll know within your body. And then let's come down to the nape of the neck here, where we hold on to a lot of tension. So again, placing fingers and thumb, pads of the fingers, take a deep belly breath in, and they just melt into the skin area here, into the scalp. Really nice and deeply. We want to be about a 40%, and then come backwards and forwards one way. And then the other. Now please comment down below, tell me how you're finding these and if it's really helping with your fine lines and wrinkles on your forehead, but also if you have any tension within the head area. And then round circular motions one way, and then the other. And then once we've done that, just taking the fingers, interconnecting our fingers here onto the forehead area, take a nice belly breath in. And as we breathe out, just very gently gliding now towards the temples. What we're doing here is we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is also very close to the surface of the skin. And then down by the temples to the front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then taking the fingers here, you almost want to make a sort of shape like this, almost like a claw shape, dragging all the way down from the top of the scalp down to the occipital bone, the bottom of the head, top of the neck. This is where we really mess up the hair. Moving in a downwards motion, and then taking the fingers, let's just work in a round circular motion, nice and light now, from the ears towards the center of the neck here. And then when the fingertips are touching, with one hand at a time, glide down the big SCM muscle and on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, our beginning point, taking the pads of the fingers. If you can just give these a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the scalp area and also the rest of the facial area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, I would highly recommend a glass of lukewarm water afterwards, one to hydrate the fascia, but also to help with detoxification of this area. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Again, please comment down below. I love to know where you're from and if there's any other fascia techniques you'd love me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.